has a long history of producing hit TV shows, many of which filmed right here on the Universal Lot. Some of the theme songs from NBC's hit TV shows have become as popular as the shows themselves. Let's see if you can recognize the theme songs to these popular NBC shows.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Largest creatures ever to live on the Earth. Scientists have all over the world things that are strictly controlled by one hour. Enjoy.
I have got a brand new vision. Just came to me. Pilgrimage for two to dry land.
And the right light. And when it's shown at the right speed, then voila, you get. Oh, Sierra, you're high atop a skyscraper in New York City. Feel that wind blow your hair. Or just look around. And Jerry. Jerry, you're in the shot for your family. Look, family, there's a tree. Oh, there you go. Oh, now show me love. Oh, now show me fear. And now let me show you how it works. Ah! There you go. Alright, we'll do it again. Right. This is Simon over at C1, take two. Camera speed and action. Oh, just for taking it back over the okay, hold on. Get something. I'm bringing him around. Alright, this is highest song. Alright, it's okay, Simon. We got you. Oh, hello there. Alright, we got you. Hey, everybody, let's give a nice round of applause for Simon for doing